Hello, my name is Paul Diadamo. I'm the recall guy at Rebuilders Automotive Supply. Today's slideshow is designed to talk you through the mobile yard recall app. So we've taken the recall process for the yards and we've condensed it into a really simple to use app. And this is the how-to. So the first screen you'll see is the logon screen. And basically you're going to put your username and password and that will be remembered. Next, you'll get to the search recall screen and you'll see a field there where technically you could enter the VIN by tapping in the numbers and the letters. That probably will take too much time. Not my day of fun. So you'll notice on the right there is a red line scan on a barcode. That is a scanner tool that uses your phone as a scanner. So once you click on that, you'd be able to scan the VIN on the body of the vehicle or perhaps through the windshield. We're going to give you another option at the end of the slideshow if you're having an issues with using the scanner. Once you hit the search button, then you'll notice that the VIN displays in the field and it allows you to identify that you've got the VIN and you're ready to go to the next step. Once you click on the search button, you will be turned over to the next page where you'll see the actual airbags that have been validated. So once you hit search, it'll actually search that VIN against our database of defective Takata airbags in the buyback program. And in this particular case, you'll see 2 airbags. Now, in the event that one of the airbags is deployed or missing, you merely need to tap on one of the check marks, whether it be driver's or passenger, to uncheck that airbag. Next, you're going to tap the Save button in the upper right-hand corner, the little disc, and that brings you to the following screen. This is where we're going to ask you to take a couple of pictures. This whole process is built into the app. So if you tap on the picture under Step 1, we're going to ask you to take a picture of the dash. So once you tap the picture on the app, it'll go into photo mode and you'll literally take a picture of the complete dash with the both airbags, whether they're deployed or missing, the whole dash. Step number 2 is going to be where you're going to, again, tap that image of the vehicle and then you're going to snap a photo of the actual VIN that you scanned originally. I'm going to show you a picture of what that would look like. So as you can see, once you've done the first picture, the image of the dash would be displayed. And then step number 2, the actual image of that VIN will also be displayed. Awesome. Once you've completed the photos, you'll see a page that says validation has been completed. Please write the last 6 numbers of the VIN. Time out for 1 second. First, I'm going to have you click on the Submit Recall. Then remove the airbags, and then write the last 6 digits of the VIN on the airbag. Okay? So you can click Submit, remove the airbags, and then last but not least, put the last 6 digits of the VIN. It's very important because it's an app and we're not asking you to print out the VIN from your printer, and we're trying to keep this really mobile. If you do not put those last 6 digits of the VIN, this airbag will be rejected. So that's the biggest thing at this point, is to make sure you've written that. And I recommend a Sharpie marker that has like a metallic finish so it stands out against the material on the airbag. Well, great job. I appreciate all your time. And I have one last item that we're going to cover on the next slide. So the final steps. Once you've removed the airbags, you've put the last 6 digits of the VIN, you're ready basically to finish. And with that, you'll be taking your airbag and putting it into our anti-static bag. Take the cable tie and cinch it closed. Put that in the box with a little bit of bubble wrap. We ask you to supply the bubble wrap. And then from there, simply close the flaps, tape it, and make sure you have the hazmat label affixed to the side of the box. And that's pretty much it. Now, as an option, I have found that in some cases, when you do the initial scan with your phone, sometimes, if you think about it, the VIN is on the body of the vehicle. It might be on the door. It's a curved surface, or it might be on the dash. Sometimes the scanner is not that great. So if you run into issues, I would recommend a socket scanner. This is the Socket Scan S800. This has the ability to pair easily to your phone. It actually has a clip that sits on the back of your phone, which makes it very convenient. It has a simple on-off button on the side. You can hear it go on. You can hear it go off. There's actually a LED light on the top indicating that it is on. And with that, whoops, if you want to scan something, you press the button on the top, and you can see the light. Once it scans, it'll actually buzz or vibrate a little bit in the actual scanner, so you know it has taken the information in. Now, it's not exactly cheap. They run about $200, as you can see on the screen, but I do believe that for the price, it's a good value. You can order it online. It's slim. It pairs well. It turns on and off well. Some of the cheap ones are awful. So that's my recommendation if the scanner on your phone doesn't always catch the VIN on the vehicle. Well, thank you very much, and I wish you all the best, and never hesitate to call RAS if you have any questions about the airbag program. Thank you very much.